I am at the Mount Dora Inn here in beautiful Mount Dora to do something fun for me, not so fun for my daughter. Welcome everybody to a movie day. We're going to the movies. Even though I really can't afford it, my daughter's been in the state of Florida now for 2 months, and I've only seen her one time when I picked her up at the airport. Other than that, 2 months ago was the last time I've seen her. She's been, oh no, I did go to see her at the hospital when she was in the hospital before her surgery and after her surgery. But so I probably haven't seen her in 3 weeks or so. And she's getting ready to go back to California on the 28th of this month. And since we haven't spent no time together, she's done at the infusion center, at least for the day. I figured, let's pick her up and take her to a theater and go see a fun, happy holiday movie. Little does she know. Oh, little does she know. I just got shit on by a raccoon. Okay.
Come here so I can get this off.
Come here, why did you just shit on me, huh? Why did you just poo on me?
Wear this shirt real quick.
Okay, it's this raccoon shit.
It's the raccoon shit stinks.
It does.
I don't want it in your hair, and we're about to go to the theater, and I was all worried about my person.
Yeah, well, we're going to a movie that it probably doesn't matter if you smell like raccoon shit.
If people are puking in there, I'm gonna leave. Okay.
Okay.
What do you do? She loves your hair.
I know.
Just
Here,
put
go
the shirt on, it's
ahead and
okay.
take her. Yeah, no, I'll clean this shit off. It looks like urine.
She's comfortable. No, it's shit. But now she's getting hungry.
I'll feed her and then we'll.
No, because then she'll pee. See, as soon as her belly's squishy.
Raccoons like long hair.
Then
You're just learning how to walk? You shit on my shirt. You shit on my shirt. You shit on my shirt. You shit on my shirt.
It doesn't matter what it is. An animal will love.
Oh, don't bite. Don't bite.
It won't
Oh.
bite. I can't actually promise that. I can't
Come on.
promise that.
Come on up.
She pierced my
Come
lip
on.
yesterday.
Come on up in my lap.
Might drink my water. I need to have a cigarette.
Don't poop on me again.
Yeah, would you babysit her for once?
Don't poop on me.
Once or twice?
Don't poop on me.
If you think you can.
Huh?
I just want to go to the store and hit a cigarette a couple times because I can't smoke in your truck and I don't want to.
Why can't you smoke in the truck? It's a work truck.
Well, it's up to you.
I don't smoke in there. I don't smoke.
It's not my ass. It's above my ass. That's it.
Look at the
I know,
baby.
I'm watching it. My scar. I can't pull my
He's
shirt down.
purring like a cat.
It does. Don't do the noises and I'll try to. Get up there on your
Oh, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. Climb up my fat belly. Climb. You got to make it burp.
Kind of. It's just you want to hear it purr.
Now you need to make it poop.
When you hear it purr or whatever, that means it can breathe again.
Whatever.
I learned it from the rehab thing on the internet.
What? Are you?
No, get me off video.
No, what? You're coming to see a nice Christmas flick. We're going to see a nice Christmas flick at the Mount Dora Epic Theater's. Never been here before. This is going to be a treat. Who knew that Mount Dora, a cool, old-fashioned, nice town, would have such a modern theater? Look, this is the Christmas movie you're coming to see right there. Happy holidays.
I'm not excited.
But not only did I bring the baby raccoon home, she's in there sleeping. With the heat, she has a little heat blankie in there. But my daughter actually liked Terrifier 3, which is mind-blowing because she hates those type of movies, slasher, bloody, gory movies. She actually liked it. That says something about the movie. You see all these reports about people running out of the movie, throwing up, and all this other stuff. It wasn't bad. I mean, my daughter can handle it. That was strange. Art the Clown, top of his game. Anyway, today is not only a raccoon day, it is a movie day, but it also is a moving day. We're going to a new place that I've never stayed at before. I've delivered Uber riders and Lyft riders to the place before. It is called Sherwood Forest. It's going to be our very first time at this this campground. It's new to us. It's not a new campground, but just down the road from Disney in Old Town Kissimmee area. But first, I have to go get a truck, a good truck, because we still can't use our cars because Steph's bolt is still broken. I still do not have the trailer hitch on my car yet. It's probably going to be a couple weeks till I do get it, just due to the fact I have to help pay to get her car fixed because, well, I broke it. getting everything pretty much done. She's been borrowing my car and she's been running it through water. Look at mud. Look at that. We pay for car washes and she will not even take my car to a car wash. I might just take it. What in the heck is that? A Walmart sticker? Man, see, it's someone else's vehicle. She doesn't care. I'm not going to complain about it, really. I broke her car. She just left a sticker. Okay, plants ready. At least that plant. Got the other plants. Nice thing about borrowing a pickup truck, because when we do start hauling with the cars all the time, we're going to have to worry about weight. Generator's going inside storage. Ladder will eventually be going inside storage. Segway, that's not too heavy. Rake, not that heavy. But yeah, a lot of the stuff isn't going to fit. And we got to keep that car light because that's going to be the towing vehicle. And the Chevy Bolt is going to have to carry some of this stuff. So we're definitely going to have to lighten things up. Today, for the first time in my entire life, I'm going to have to fill up a propane tank. They say you can switch them out, but I was told because there's dates on these, if you got a new can, you might as well keep it and just have it filled up. Because that is tested 9, I guess 09/22 possibly, I don't know. Oh no, I don't know. There's a date on there somewhere. But because it's a newer can, you kind of want to keep them if you can, because this one has a 10-year. Must be qualified within 12 years or USA every 10 years. So we're covered. The only reason I know that is because my mechanics told me, and the head office here at Three Flags said, you know, there's dates on those things. And if you take them to 7-Eleven to swap tanks, stuff like that, you could get an old tank and eventually they're not going to take the tank that you just got because it'll be out of date and then you're screwed and you lost your good tank. So if you can, always fill your tank. That's not my advice to you. That's advice that was told to me. We are all hooked up, checked everything, unchocked the wheels, lifted up this stuff, turned the propane off, got the electricity hooked up. Everything's locked in, crisscross chains. This is our very first time leaving a campground with the LIV trailer, switching campgrounds. The only other time we pulled it is the day we bought it and brought it here. This is our very first move. And we got a little baby with us. We got a little baby with us. We got a baby. Luckily, the truck came with me full of fuel. I don't have to get fuel, but I do have to get fuel for my belly. Coffee, not fuel for my coffee, my belly. Boy, verbal dyslexia. Okay, well, we got a pretty large spot. They had to put us way back here in the back because the entire golf course is probably under 2 feet of water. And there's really not much, not the areas that are nice that are worth staying in are actually available at the moment. But we made it. We moved. Our very first move. I don't know if I like it or not, but we're only here for 2 weeks, so it doesn't matter.